Hello, welcome to another video. So in this video, I want to look at how to use these buttons here, Ripple Insert Edit and Overlay Edit. So here you can see in the composition on the right hand side, this is the composition we've got the speedboat. And what we might want to do is we might want to put in some of this bird bath here. Okay, so the way to do that, I'll select our footage layer and we'll set an in point and an out point. So a couple of seconds there, and we want to insert it here. So there's a couple of different ways that we could insert it there. So this way, the overlay edit, we'll take a look to see what that's done. So essentially, that has just simply overlaid it. So if we look at the speedboat is quite far away from the speedboat, now it's really near. So you can see that what that's done is it's simply overridden everything there. The other way you could do it is to go for a ripple insert edit. And what that does is it splits the speedboat layer. So this way you can see when we return here, we're still at the same point in time. So there's obviously some advantages to doing that way. So you can see the birds are there. We can also now do a slip edit as well, which is kind of cool. So you can see this is a later period. So we go right to the end just to see what point we're at here. You can see there's only one bird there at that point. So we can slip edit all these sections, which is pretty cool.